9 easy care houseplants NASA scientists recommend for cleaning the air of your home or office. You know that rumor that plants can improve your air quality? Turns out NASA was interested too. In 1989, NASA tested common houseplants to see if they could remove harmful chemicals from the air. Scientists put plants in sealed chambers and pumped in benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene, chemicals that are known carcinogens. Some of the plants NASA used were able to remove up to 90% of the chemicals within 24 hours. Let's check out the most effective plants that made the grade. Garden Mum. They remove ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene from the air in your house. Spider Plant. This houseplant is a great choice for beginners. Dracaena. Dracaena is an excellent plant for your house. Ficus or weeping fig. The ficus removes benzene, trichloroethylene, and formaldehyde from indoor air. Peace Lily. The plant helps remove ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene from the air in your house. Boston Fern. This houseplant is perfect for bathrooms. Snake plant. You'll see this one in offices, restaurants, and homes because they're easy to take care of. Bamboo palm. This houseplant can grow up to 12 feet tall. Aloe vera. This plant is small but powerful, and it grows wonderfully near windows. Make sure to check out the full article for all the details. For more great tips to bring nature at home, check out Mrs. Henry's at www.mrshenrys.com.